Hello, well, almost the end of the year and thought start doing my revision. So welcome to the first episode of the ADHD Teacher. So we're going to start by looking at fractions. Today I look at improper fractions, followed on with mixed numbers, and then adding, subtracting fractions, multiplying and dividing, and then break it down into topics for each one. Okay, so first thing, improper fractions might also be known as a top-heavy fraction, you might have heard, because the number at the top is bigger than the one at the bottom. So we've got 7/3. This is an improper fraction and we will be turning it into a mixed number. So what we do is we look at the denominator. We've got 3. We then look how many times does 3 go into 7. Okay, so if I had 7 dots, 2, and I circled them into groups of 3, 1, 2. How many groups do I have? I've got 2. I've got 1 left over. This becomes my numerator, and then I keep the same denominator. Okay, so 7/3 would be the same as 2 and 1/3. Okay, so we go to 17/5. So get your denominator, which is 5. Okay, you don't have to do the dots, just this for visual view for you to be able to see how many or how much easier it is to sort out. Okay, so got 17 dots. I'm going to circle them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 whole groups, so that becomes my whole number. And I've got 2 left over, so my remainder is 2, becomes my numerator, 5 is my denominator. Okay, so we'll do it without this time. So I'm looking at how many times 5 goes into 15. Nice, because actually 5 goes into 15 without any remainder. So 5 goes into 15 3 times, so the answer would be 3. Okay, so have a look at these two. I'm going to pause the video and then have a little go yourself, and then come back and have a look to see if you've got the correct answer. Okay, so 6 into 29. If you're not sure, you can count up in 6s. Okay, 30 would be too big. So we're going to go for this one here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So my whole number is 4. My remainder from 24 to 29 is 5. So 5 is my numerator, 6 is my denominator. Okay, and then last one for this one, how many 12s go into 33? So the closest would be 2, which would be 24, which would give you 9 left over. And 12. And then if we wanted to simplify it, 3s go into both of these numbers. So it'd be 2 and 3/4.